Yo, it's Cameron Bands here. Welcome back to another video. You know how we doing. Got tons of bands here, but today I'm going to be showing you guys this brand new ATM / Cash App method. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So first you want to go ahead and get a Alright guys, just bonded out. Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make quick and easy money on Cash App. And before you guys click off this video, these are completely legitimate, and honestly, a lot of videos out there are claiming that they have these brand new methods and join their Telegram, but they're complete scams, so keep that in mind. And a lot of the feds are catching on to these methods, but what they're not catching on to is subscribing to this channel and liking the video, because we share legitimate methods on this channel. But anyways, let's go to jump right into the video. I just had to look at my desk, and honestly, I better calm down. This looks like I'm a legitimate scammer. For our first method, it's going to be to sign up with Cash App with a referral code. And lucky for you, I actually have one, which is actually really nice. So the code is going to be NKLRGHL. I'm going to go ahead and pop it up on screen, and that code will be giving you guys $5 extra for free if you go ahead and send $5 to someone, which is actually a really nice code. And this is a very exclusive code, and I'll show you guys how to go ahead and do it for yourselves as well. So if you want to do it for yourselves, you want to go ahead and click on your account on the top right, and you want to click on invite friends. So the rules for this are actually really simple. I don't recommend spamming all your contacts how they recommend. What I do recommend doing is going ahead and sharing your referral code just how I did. And if you guys want to go ahead and send me money on Cash App, it's very unlikely, but it's going to be $hypekg. It is actually much appreciated. But as you guys can see, you can go ahead and refer your friends, and you get $20 per new person that you get to sign up, making this very profitable. This is almost as profitable as some other affiliate methods that I've been doing on the channel. And if you guys want to go ahead and buy some methods from the description down below, you guys can definitely be put on, and you guys can make a ton of money. A lot of people in my Discord have been making a lot of money, and I'm actually super proud of everyone, and they've been following the methods that I've been teaching. I'm going to probably make a new section inside of my Discord so you guys can go ahead and share Cash App referral codes, because honestly, this is definitely the new wave to go ahead and make a lot of money. Unfortunately, this only works in the US and also the UK, I believe, as well, and it's definitely very interesting. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the next method, because this method is going to be super easy. For our next method, it's going to be downloading the app called Eureka. If you don't know anything about this, this is pretty much free money. So you want to go ahead and download this app, click on open, and look at this, guys. I have already made $15+. It is really that easy, and it's pretty much on autopilot. I have been running this for about a few days now, and it is really that easy. So we want to go ahead and do, once you go ahead and download the app, you guys want to go down to referrals, and you want to go ahead and click on enter code. You want to type in this code right here, GUDW4I, and that code will be giving you guys a $1 free survey to go ahead and complete, and you guys will be on your way to getting a $5 withdrawal, which is actually super low, especially on these apps. A lot of them try to like cap it at 10 or 20, but this one is super generous. And then what you need to go ahead and do is you need to go ahead and cash out to PayPal, and then you go ahead and withdraw it to your bank. And I know a lot of you guys have cash cards. I'm going to make a detailed video on the cash card, because I actually really do like it. Me personally, I don't use it, but I heard really good things from my friends, and a lot of people have been using it on PayPal, and actually made a full video on how to use these types of cards on PayPal, so definitely go ahead and check it out. But we actually have some really cool rewards. You guys can do Target, you guys can do GameStop, but most of you guys are looking for actual money, so you can use these Visa cards as well, which is pretty cool, to go ahead and use them on Cash App to send to your friends. So it's honestly really that easy, and there's no excuse for making free money in 2023. What are you guys doing? So I just hopped on Twitter, and here's the next method. So this is going to be to follow the Cash App Twitter account, and it's gonna have like the official like yellow check mark. This is like a new Twitter thing. Didn't even notice they had that, but they actually do giveaways quite often, $1,000, and you can just go ahead and scroll through to see what they're doing on Cash App, because you guys can get the chance to go ahead and win some free money. Okay, now that we got those 3 legitimate Cash App methods, let me tell you what's not legit. If you ever heard of these things called cash flips, it's basically someone saying that they can go ahead and turn this $100 bill into $1,000 bills and so on. So So it's pretty much you send them the money, they go ahead and do something, and then they go ahead and send you more money back. You see this tactic a lot of times with scammers, especially in India. They'll say, go ahead and send this amount of money, and then they'll go ahead and build your trust. Or actually, this is actually really done with romance scams. So they'll go ahead and say like, okay, go ahead and invest $2,000 into this one scam, and they'll go ahead and let you withdraw the $2,000, or let's say you make $4,000. You're so excited, so you're gonna go ahead and invest your whole life savings. This is actually called fattening up the pig, or something similar to that, and they make a lot of money off of this because a lot of like single housewives get like really lonely, and they go ahead and dump all their money into these types of scams. And honestly, it is not their fault because they just didn't know better. And I want to make sure that people know about these types of scams because there's just so many out there. The next method is going to be using stolen credit cards. This is highly illegal, and you can see this all the time with these like credit card rings and even Telegram groups where they promote like bank logs. You can go ahead and cash out by using Cash App. You can use this and that, and a lot of people fall for these tricks because they want some quick money, and a lot of times they're just trying to scam you, or they're actually trying to go ahead and get you in trouble. Sometimes the feds actually set up honeypots where they're basically saying, hey, go ahead and check out this new scam, and then the people that buy from it get arrested. So honestly, it's not worth going to jail for 10 plus years to go ahead and make some quick and fast money. A lot of people are not understanding what wealth really is. There's a difference between being rich and being wealthy. Every single day I go to sleep, I'm making money, but if I'm actually rich, then I just have a lot of money and I don't have any assets working for me. This is a very important lesson that a lot of people need to learn, because we see so many times that these people are looking for fast money and it just doesn't end up working out. They end up trying to go ahead and play the system, but they end up playing themselves by getting caught by the feds, or even just getting scammed out of a lot of money. So a lot of times it's just not worth it, and I highly recommend going the legit route, especially if you're looking for a brand new Cash App method. These are the only three that could possibly work. No money comes from not working at all, unless you're just completely scamming people, and it's completely wrong. The next scam I want to tell you guys about is these fake Cash App emails. So a lot of times when you're selling anything on a classified ad site such as like eBay, maybe even Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, you'll have these scammers that try to get you off the site, and they'll say like, hey, what payment method do you want to use? And let's say you actually say like Cash App, and you're like, okay, I want to go ahead and use this method, and then they'll go ahead and send you an email saying, hey, I have confirmed the payment, it's in your email, and you go ahead and check it, and yeah, it does say you received $200, but the $200 is not in your Cash App. And they say just go ahead and send it out. They'll go ahead and make up an excuse, and this is definitely a very troublesome scam that a lot of people end up falling for, and I highly recommend being on high alert. If it is not in your Cash App balance, you have not received the money, and it's very important to be very, very careful. But anyways, that's going to go ahead and pretty much wrap today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we're able to go ahead and make a ton of money on Cash App. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.